type in the Google campuscommune.tcs.com, you get into the Campus Commune web page where you can see all the latest updates regarding the TCS Campus Commune portal. So in this, if you scroll down, you can see the Code Vita 2018 Grand Finals details here, and this is the EngiNx 2019. And if you click the view button, you will get the EngiNx page, engineering for next generation, and the contest is open now. The details, this is given here. So what is the main theme of the EngiNx is to develop a engineering innovation contest to serve the engineering and industrial services and IoT based business units. And the theme of this year's EngiNx is digital eminence, making things smart, as the products nowadays has been developed based on the IoTs and the latest applications. And the main things related to this contest is the products connected, have a self-aware and give better user experience. So the developed projects should be capable of serving this application. The main areas of this year's EngiNx is the IoT, data analytics, digital technologies and cognitive systems, which includes industry and manufacturing, social and infrastructure, life science and healthcare, customer goods and logistics. So the EngiNx 2019 is an opportunity provided for the engineers across India to bring out the innovation, creativity and compete in the near future. And about EngiNx is the initiative started by the TCS company, and any student can participate in this contest. And this contest is open for the students graduating in the year of 2020 and 2021. That is the final year and second year students can participate in this contest. And all the junior students can see what is happening in the EngiNx so that you can apply for the upcoming years. And the important rounds related to this EngiNx are, the first one is the qualification round, which starts around the 28th March after the registration of this contest. Next, you have to submit the use case proposal around the 31st March of your idea. Next, you have to submit about the product status around the 30th April 2019. And the final of this grand final will be held at the time of August 9, 2019, with the working model and the presentations will be given by the finalists. So the prize amount of this contest is around 5 lakhs Indian rupees. And more than that, you will get a very good opportunity to work with the TCS, and you can elaborate your creativity and innovation using this contest